Greg Windsor, work for grass cutting services, and I'm a mower operator. We have the FX155, the FX185, and then we have the Rotary machine as well. We do what we call envelope control on the state highways, but it's mostly mowing. It's a bit small, that's its benefit, because the bigger mowers, you don't get the contours that the bigger mowers can get. They're too wide, and we go from very rugged terrain to sports fields. So yes, very versatile.
My name is Steve De Bruin, owner operator of Grass Cutting Services, which is a company that mainly do commercial roadside mowing. So we have worked with Waka Katai to do all the roadside mowing in the Tauranga area. I've been with my own company for about 20 years and actually running it for about 15. About 15 years ago I started just using Trimax and never looked back since then. Only using Trimax, all the different products, the Warlord, the ProCut, Flail, FX155s, FX185s. Trimax has been with me from day one, and even if I have problems, the mowers itself that might come up from time to time because of the rugged terrain and the bulletproofness of the machine that I need, they always come up with a solution for me and they work with me and try and solve the issues. It's helped me a lot in my actual business, Trimax. So yeah, because the stuff is reliable as well. You know, the machines are reliable. I can keep on mowing and then yes, get the results all the time.
We do daily greasing and things like that, but sharpening flails maybe once in 3 months, a rotation of flails maybe once a year. Like I said, we do a lot of rugged terrain, so the flails take quite a hammering, and they just seem to last. I think our old deck looked like an old war tank. Very robust, never a problem. We keep them serviced well and they run well.
Maintenance wise, yeah, I mean, especially our latest product that I got is the ProCut 237. Yeah, that thing is basically maintenance free. There's almost nothing for greasing to be done on it. The thing is bulletproof. I got the galvanized version of it, so it can hardly rust. Maintenance on these machines is just really good. These things just last.
My name's Adrian Land. I work for Grass Cutting Services, mainly on the tractor mower, do the weed eating as well. Been there for roughly 9 years. These mowers handle the grass pretty well, unless you get into the real long stuff, but then we change to the Warlord. Basically on schools and reserves, does a beautiful job on them. And I would say the best thing is the greaseless rollers and the greaseless spindles. It saves a lot of time. I don't have to grease it up. The only thing I have to grease up is the drive shaft on it. I've got one of these at home from my farm as well, and I definitely recommend them.
I would recommend Trimax.
And I can definitely recommend Trimax to anybody who wants to give it a go. You won't be sorry.